I don't know if you want to tune in on COM 2-8.
Yeah. 2665.
Site clear 623, 2.17, altimeter 3000. Visual approach runway 24 needs advise contact. You have information, Oscar. Site destination Oscar 2253 Zulu, wind level 5, visibility 10, site clear 623, 2.17, altimeter 3000. Approach runway
Oscar.
advise contact. You.
I think that wasn't Farmingdale.
Oh?
2665.
Alright.
North Shuttle 7001, heavy flighting 250, maintain 4000.
Heading 250, maintain 4000, North Shuttle 7001.
VFR. Read back all runway hold short instructions, runway assignments and altitude assignments. Advise you public tower initial contact. You have information, Delta. Public airport information, Delta, time 2253 Zulu. Wind 20012, visibility 10, sky conditions, few clouds at 800. Temperature 21, dew point 19er, altimeter 3009er. Visual approaching east landing and departing, runway 19er. Notice airman, tower light at a service, 1.8 nautical miles northeast, Republic 232 feet MSL,
133 3000, information, Delta.
For approach.
Tower 970, thank you. Plan a visual 19, turn 20 right.
20 right, visual 19, tell
There's some low-level clouds ahead.
Yep, 800.
Miles from the field.
Right. Should be straight ahead.
Yeah.
A little bit off to the left. I can see runway 19.
Most likely is runway 19. They're going to bring us in.
Yeah.
The 200.
Cessna 85 uniform, leaving class Bravo. Radar services terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved. Good night.
Good night, Cessna 85 uniform.
Tower 188.
You can call them up. We have information one.
Delta.
Republic Tower, good evening. Cessna 6185 uniform, 10 miles north, inbound, full stop with Delta. Oh, you didn't turn the frequency.
Cessna 625 uniform tower, you at 2,700?
Affirmative, Cessna 85 uniform.
Cessna 85 uniform, Roger, straight in, runway 19er.
Straight in for runway 19er, Cessna 85 uniform.
Now you gotta be on top of your heading there.
Yeah,
the
so
direct to.
1875. This is what I'm talking about, see?
Oh, that's why you had to drop through.
I was nervous as hell. It was worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
November 85 uniform, I want you to stay to the west of the final and just parallel the final on the west side. Approach is vectoring a Gulfstream 4 directly over Northport coming inbound, so I want you to follow the Gulfstream when you pass it.
Okay, we'll look for the aircraft and stay to the west. That's my 85 uniform. Wow. Weather is changing.
Yep.
It was when we was coming in at LaGuardia, but more thicker than this.
Oh, yeah. One was coming up from Poughkeepsie was worse, too. Keep your eyes up for that. Was it a Gulfstream?
Yeah, it's supposed to pass you on the left.
Or left?
Yeah, she's gonna bring him in, and then we'll
follow him.
Yeah.
All right, we're 7.8 miles. We're going to turn on the lights.
Okay.
Sure is full rich.
Fuel's on both.
Okay, fuel's on both.
November 85 uniform, give me a right 360. I don't want you to be too far from the final, and as soon as you're done with the 360, you should see the Gulfstream 4 joining about a 7 to 8 mile final.
Okay, right 360 for 85 uniform.
Shallow it out a little bit so we don't catch up.
Again?
Shallow out your turn a little bit.
Yeah. Maintain 1700.
Okay.
It's happened to us when we was with Pedro, right?
There he is right here.
Yeah, I see him. Was that Wayne?
Same thing happened when we was with Pedro.
Yeah.
How was the Gulf Stream?
He's behind, he's on your right behind you, Wayne.
Yeah, he just passed us. We're going to be ending up behind him soon.
November 85 uniform, that Gulf Stream is now 2 miles north of the mall on final 1,700.
Roger, Cessna 85 uniform.
The final now, November 85 uniform.
Roger, Cessna 85 uniform.
And Tower, Town Flight 970 with the GPS 19er.
Town Flight 970, Republic Tower, runway 19er, clear to land, wind 21017, gust 19.
Clear land 19, Town Flight 970.
Yeah, that's him right there.
Yeah.
I guess he can roll out. Actually, not yet.
Perfect.
November 85 uniform, you're a little too wide. I want you to fly towards the mall and join the final there for runway 19er.
Okay, we'll fly to the mall, towards the mall and then join the final Cessna 85 uniform.
And the mall is just follow him, and you'll be good.
Confirm clear to land for Town Flight 970.
Town Flight, you are clear to land.
Thank you.
This is stuff. Gonna drop down to 12.
Yeah.
Bring it that way a little bit. There's our mall right there.
Okay. I don't want to get too slow, low out here either.
Yeah, alright, 12. Hold it right there. Get us out of that.
Yeah. See him, he's on final, but he should be on the ground by now, no?
Yeah.
At Republic Tower, Saratoga, November 41.
There's 110 coming up, we'll just track 110 down.
19er, Gulf 5, ready for departure.
41443 Tower, hold short, runway 19er at Gulf 5.
Hold short, 19er, Gulf 5, 443.
Reoriented.
Again?
Are you reoriented?
Yeah, so the runway's off to, airport's off to our right, right?
Yeah, off to the right a little bit.
Okay.
Follow 110 down.
Yeah. Clouds just wouldn't go away.
No. On course for 19.
Okay.
Straight.
Straight ahead.
Yep. See it right there?
The aircraft or the runway?
The runway.
Still trying to orient it.
That's straight ahead.
Okay.
Alright, hold that
Town
11.
Flight 970, turn right at Bravo 4.
I got it if you don't see it.
Bravo to the ramp this frequency.
Bravo 4, Bravo to the ramp with you, till flight 970.
We're in 4 miles.
Right?
Yep, straight ahead.
Can we just take it to the end for tail flight 970?
We're just crossing
Okay, you can do that.
Thanks.
expressway right now.
November 443, runway 19 at Gulf 5 intersection. Line up and wait. Traffic is on a 3-mile final, Cessna.
It's us.
Hey, line up and wait, runway 19 from Gulf 5. Saratoga, November 41443.
November 85 uniform traffic holding in position.
Roger, Cessna 85 uniform.
On your flats.
1 sec. Let me just see my. Let me bring the speed back to 100.
Okay.
And then you can get in.
November 443, left turn to the northeast is approved. Runway 19 at Gulf 5 intersection cleared for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff,
Okay.
runway 19 from Gulf 5 with a left turn on November 41443.
Cessna 85 uniform, runway 19 at clear to land.
Clear to land, Cessna 85 uniform.
21020, gust to 20.
Right, to the runway straight ahead.
Yep.
Republic Airport information echo is now current, altimeter 3009er.
Hey, you're on glide slope.
Yeah. What's the winds?
I think 300. Wait. No,
Call on
sorry.
ask.
200. I could see it on there. A little bit off to the right.
Uh, 20
That's 20. 20 coming in. That's 20. Yeah, it's probably gusting now.
Wind check, please.
Wind 21014, gust to 20.
Going full.
Yeah.
Full.
Full flat.
In transition. You just crossed the end. Air threshold.
November 443, frequency change approved, 125.7 for flight following.
Hey, frequency approved, 443, good night.
Good night. November 85 uniform, when able, say parking.
We're going to Echo, Cessna 85 uniform.
November 85 uniform, roger. Turn right on Alpha, taxi via Alpha to vehicle ramp this frequency.
Right on Alpha, and stay with you on this frequency, roger. All right, after landing checklist.
Hey, flaps are coming up. Watch your heading. Watch your heading.
Yeah. Moves off.
You got your second instrument flight there. Turn here.
Prawn. I was telling my brother the Dutchess is over there,
Uh-huh.
next to Sony.
Oh. One you were looking at. I recognize the building, the old SUNY building.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Now where we get this from? Was it here?
I think on this side, yeah.
Can you remember where we got it from? Hey, I told you guys to remember.
Or in between, do you remember which planes were parked here?
Is it this one here we got it from?
Might be.
I think it was here because I remember we turned out really quick.
Yeah.
Right, let me just pull out a little bit.
Or Chris will get the ticket.